Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple Watch Ultra 3 for people who can use only one hand. So basically on Apple Watch Ultra you have gestures, so you can, for example, scroll something, click something using these gestures. You can close the application using these gestures, but you have accessibility features, and accessibility can give you more flexibility. To open and enable accessibility, firstly you should open Watch application on your iPhone, then scroll down a bit and find gestures, disable gestures, then go back, find accessibility. In accessibility, scroll a bit down and find here AssistiveTouch. Click on it, enable AssistiveTouch, click hand gestures and enable them. And now you can set up your hand gestures. And here you should set it up for your needs, because every man has different needs, different needs to do it. Okay, so for example, at the very beginning I suggest you to disable activation gesture and set it to none, because without it will not work normally. Because if it's enabled, so firstly you should by double clench, for example, activate gestures, then do something else. Okay, so I suggest you to disable it. So cool. And now you should set it up. For example, I like to use it in the way when tap is dynamic, because it's scrolling down or up, depends of needs on your Apple Watch. Double tap, using double tap, I wanna activate a notification center, for example, because it's just convenient for me. You should set it up to be convenient for you. Okay, clench, clench. I wanna go back using clench, so just press Chrome. Okay, and double clench. Okay, action menu could be cool. Let's check it. Now I have Apple Watch on me. Screen is activated. Wait a while. Screen is activated, and let's double tap. Okay, notification center is opened. Unfortunately, I can't use gestures at the same time, but I can go back using clench. By double clench, I will open this main menu, as you can see. By using one tap, unfortunately it doesn't work in this menu, but for example when I in notification panel, I can use tap to scroll up or scroll down, as you can see, and all of this using just tap, because it's dynamic. Okay, the same when this mode is open, I can scroll down and then scroll up. Okay, you can even set up for tap. For example, you can set up pointer or something about it, motion pointer, for example. It's a bit tricky to use. I'm gonna show you. So to use pointer, you should, for example, now pointer is enabled, right? Motion pointer for the tap. So now I click in, make right one tap, and here, as you can see, there is pointer here, and I can move it using gyroscope. And for example, I wanna click on this button, right? So in this way, I just move into the gyroscope, and now, for example, I can do it. I can disable this pointer. Okay, now I can go back using pointer. Now I want to disable it again. I wanna scroll, so you can set up scroll, for example, for double tap. It can be more convenient for those who use it, who use pointer mode. For example, now by using double tap, I can scroll down, then scroll up if I want. And now when I wanna go back to the timers, so in this way I can do that. So that's it, guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. Hope it helps you to set up accessibility mode for you. And if it video was helpful for you, please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video. Bye, see you.